Hello everyone. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can withdraw your salary from NHIRE dashboard. Now, this is my dashboard. Now, we want to withdraw our monthly salary. But the first thing you need to do is to first of all, go to job income log. Now, these are the tasks I've been able to perform and these are the money I've been able to earn so far. Now, NHIRE actually have threshold for each task. For each task, they have a threshold. So these are the threshold. These are the threshold here. As you can see, half price, the minimum you can transfer out is 5,000. Then lighting box, the minimum you can transfer out is 10,000. Then for June, the minimum is 20,000. For Kiku, the minimum is 15,000. For Temu, the minimum is 15,000. For Shane, the minimum is 15,000. For Olist, the minimum is 25,000. While for Jaria, the minimum is 15,000. For Kara, the minimum is 10,000 naira. While for Obiwezi, the minimum is 10,000 naira. So we also have Kaiglo. Kaiglo, the minimum is 23,000. Then for B2B, the minimum is 10,000 naira. For Dupshizu, the minimum is 20,000. For Far Fetech, the minimum is 10,000. For DHgate, the minimum is 10,000. For Banggood, the minimum is 10,000. So if you look at all these tasks, they all have their minimum. So now that you have been able to know the minimum we have for each task, so now you now start checking. You now start checking anyone that qualify. You now start checking anyone that qualify. In my own case now, as you can see it here, I think Dubizu is qualified. As you can see, Dubizu is qualified. I can transfer this one out. I have over 33,000 naira a year, so it's transferable. If I click on the transfer fund now, you can see it will transfer immediately to my dashboard. So let's do that right now. As you can see, amount has been transferred to your NHIRE wallet. So it's as simple as that. And also, let's check another one that is qualified. Let's check another one that is qualified. Okay, Olist. My Olist also is qualified. I think the minimum for Olist is 20,000 and I have about 32,000 naira a year. If I also click on the transfer fund, immediately it will transfer to my dashboard. Are you getting my point now? But I don't want to transfer it yet. Alright, so I still want to wait for like 2 days from now before transferring. So now then another one that I actually meet up with the threshold is on Shane. From Shane I have 28,710. Alright, I think the minimum for Shane is I think, let me see. Minimum for Shane is 15,000 naira. As you can see, I have 28,000 plus here, so I can easily transfer this also to my dashboard. Now let's assume we've been able to transfer all our accrued fund, or it's now for us to withdraw. So the next thing you want to do now is to go to your main dashboard. All right, now this is our main dashboard. As you can see, the money I just transferred now as reflected here. I have 35,800 naira a year. I've not transferred the rest. I'm actually waiting till maybe 2 days time from now before transferring. So now let's assume we want to withdraw our salary. So now you click on generate payslip. But then don't forget, before you click on generate payslip, make sure to have saved your bank details for withdrawal before now. I believe everyone should have done that during the course of registration. Alright, so now you click on transfer to bank. But before you click on transfer to bank, I want you to note one or two things here. Now they said here is your pay slip generated for you to get paid. End job wallet, we have 35,800 naira. End broker wallet, that one is a referral wallet. That is for those who are referring. Now they said tax charges 0.2% of total salary. Then expected salary is 35,728 naira 0.72 kobo. Now what they actually mean here is that from this calculation here, after taking off the percentage, the charges, all right, which is 0.2, what you have left in the wallet will be 35,728 naira 0.72 kobo. Sure you understand? So now what you can only withdraw from here is 35,728. Now you click on transfer to bank. Alright, so now we've clicked on transfer to bank, then select wallet. Don't forget we are withdrawing from end job, that is from the salary wallet. So you click on end job, then withdraw to select source. Either you are withdrawing to your bank address or to your USDT address, but most of us are using the bank address. Alright, so you click on bank. Now for amount, we all see the amount we have here, 35,800 naira. Alright, so we can only withdraw 35,728 naira. Alright, so you just input the amount here, 35,728 naira. Alright, so after you must have done this, then you must have selected your bank, don't forget, then you click on transfer fund. If withdrawal is open, immediately your withdrawal request will be created and you will be waiting to receive your money. So it's as simple as that. So if you got value from this video, kindly subscribe to this channel and share this video to your downlines.